Hello friends, today in this video right now I'm going to show you how to change screen timeout on Samsung mobile phone. So friends, before we continue this video, do not forget to like the video and subscribe the channel. Okay, so let's start the video. Here at first you have to move on setting. After that you have to scroll to display, click on display. Then from here you have to scroll on down. Here is just screen timeout. Okay, click on screen timeout. So here you can see some more seconds and some more the minutes. Okay, so if you want to set the 30 seconds, you just need to click on 30 seconds, and if you want to set the 5 minutes, you just click on 5 minutes as your wish. Okay, you just click on any minutes or seconds and it will be set successfully on your mobile phone. No need to click on OK. Right, you just need to select and click on that timing. So friends, if you love the video, do not forget to like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel, and thanks for watching.